President Biden is raising the total number of refugees that will be admitted into the country. The number will go from 15,000 to 62,500 for the fiscal year. Last month, the White House said the number would not change, but the president received criticism from progressive Democrats who said that he was aligning himself closely with the policy set by the Trump administration. During his campaign, Biden promised up to 125,000 refugee admissions. He says that's the planned number for fiscal year 2022. Meanwhile, U.S. officials are seeing a historic number of migrants crossing the southern border, including thousands of unaccompanied minors. Some of these children have been sent to Montgomery County. Fox 5's Melanie Alnwick is in Rockville with more on that. Mel, good morning.
Well, good morning, Jeanette. And it's hard to get an exact number here, and that is one of the challenges for Montgomery County Council, as well as police department, schools, all the services that these children and families are going to need. Right now, what we understand is about 104 unaccompanied minors have been resettled with family or sponsors. But the council says as many as 3,000 could be coming to the D.C., Maryland, and Virginia area by summer. Already, the U.S. is dealing with another surge at the southern border. In January, that included 34,000 minors that came alone. Montgomery Council Vice President Gabe Albornoz says most are teenage boys from Guatemala, Honduras, and El Salvador, and that D.C., Maryland, and Virginia, one of the top destinations for them to be reunited with family. The county is now preparing to support them, providing health screenings, COVID tests and vaccinations, and social services.
We need to do some early identification and connection with the children as they come into the county and before they come into the county, if at all possible.
So the county says it is building on lessons learned from the last surge when some of these teens didn't bond with family or sponsors and fell in with gangs instead. In 2016, Montgomery County saw a spike in gang-related violence that continued into 2017. Police said unaccompanied minors are susceptible to gang recruitment when they feel isolated and are without support. So the county is working with Montgomery County Public Schools to also try to get students prepared to be enrolled in the fall, but they really need to get that more precise number from the feds. They say that the data is sometimes lacking by 2 months. So even now they suspect there are far more than just that 104 children who are here. And they say these numbers also do not include those who came across the border undetected.
Okay, Mel, thank you for that. And staying with this topic, this brings us to our Fox 5 Live Insta poll. We are asking, how would you rate President Biden's handling of immigration in the U.S.? Options here, A through F, and overwhelmingly at 85%. You're giving him an F on this issue. It's really easy to vote right now. You can chime in by going to fox5dc.com. Look for the Insta poll section on the right-hand side. You can also easily cast your vote on our free Fox 5 app.